Hello and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you how to make a simulator in around 50 minutes or shorter. Alright, start up Roblox Studio and open a faceplate or whatever place you want to have. I'm gonna make a simple map. It will just be leafy grass with this one. Yeah. Alright. You want to make a folder, remote events, actually events. Remote events, another one. We call this strength gain, and this one prestige event. Alright, next we need a weight. I'm gonna make a simple one. Gonna scale this down. Do it like this. Copy it. Get it over here. So it gets short on all sides. Now just size it. I'm gonna call this handle and put this all into a tool. I'm gonna call this tool weight, and I'm gonna use the tool grip editor to position this correctly. Alright, I guess. Then I will put the weight in data pack. Then I will make a service script. Call it leader stats. We make a variable defining the player service. And then player edit connect function player. And then we do local leader stats. This is a folder. We use instance.new to create a new folder. Then we want its folder's name to be leader stats. If you don't know what leader stats is, that's basically the leaderboard. We want that folder's parent to be player, and we will do strength equals instance.new. We will use a number value for this and name the value strength, of course. Alright, and we will set the parent to the, can you guess it? No, it's not. It's the leader set, so you can actually see it in the leaderboard. Now we'll copy paste this, edit this, and put prestige there instead. Alright, actually accidentally use Control W. Alright, so we got that out of the way. Now what we have to do is go back to the weight, make a local script, name it name local tool equals script parent. This is the path of the tool. In this case, it's the parent. It's the script parent, and then we want replicate the storage. We want the events folder. We will use wait for child. This will just continue waiting until this events folder exists. We will also wait for the strength gain event, so it won't error. Alright, tool got activated. This is basically a function which fires whenever the tool, while it's equipped, getting clicked, like left click. Alright, and then we want to fire the server. Alright, what we'll now do is go back here, make a folder, call it event handlers, make a script, call it rank gain handler local rs game get service. Make sure to always use get service, use events, the variable, so wait for the child events as we did just before. Yeah, events, wait for chance, rank game. Alright. Now we want to check whenever this event gets fired. We do it by using on server event. The parameter in this case is play. It's basically always play. That's the default parameter if you use on server event. Alright. Now we want a variable for the leader sets path. Wait for child leader stats in case it doesn't exist. And one for the strength value as well. Leader set wait for child strength. Now we will use this local debounce players. This is a table setting local debounce time equals, let's do it 0.25. All right. If not, actually local d equals table dot find debounce players, that's the table in this case, and player dot user id. All right. What this does, it's basically just searches after the player's user ID in this table. You can see it. There's nothing in the table yet, but you will see soon. If t, then this will basically just say if it can find it inside. Then we can proceed. Strength dot value loss equals 1, and we put table dot insert debounce players and player dot user ID. And now we use toss dot wait, of course, since wait is bad. Use toss dot wait always. All right, yeah, debounce time. And now we will do table dot remove. D, of course, actually, I think it's player dot user ID first and then T, and this should work out. All right, let's check. There's no errors. This loads. All right, I accidentally shut those. I think it's actually not. I'm not using my world script for that, since this has to be easy to turn. Make a world constraint if you have multiple pods. Make sure pod 0 is handle and pod 1 is. Make one world constraint for each pod besides handle, of course. Pod 0 is always handle, pod 1 is our pod. Alright, let's try it now. Doesn't work yet. This means maybe this will fix it. Alright, let's try. Doesn't fix it either. We go back into the handler. We did one mistake. If not T. Not just checks if it's false. If it doesn't find it. Error. And it's T player.user ID. Accidentally switched them up. And now it should work perfectly. Table expected got nil. This probably means we have to put it in here, copy this, put it here, and now it's gonna work with no problems. Actually, actually it has a problem. Remove table expected got nil. All right, so I did one mistake. We have to move it over here, and now it's all right. Alright, yeah. Make stop again, player.useID, and now it's T. Alright, this has to work now. It still doesn't. No way. Alright. Now I understand. I did the most rookie mistake which is possible. You have to remove player.useID and do debounce place instead. Alright, as you can see, it works with a debounce, small debounce, so you don't actually notice it. Alright, so let's add a prestige and alright, copy paste this, and now make prestige handler. We go inside, we in the events value variable, you replace strength gain event through this prestige event. We remove all of this, and now at the variable local prestige equals leader stats wait for child prestige. You're almost done. Place this local prestige cost equals 300 strength that I want it to be, and now we do strength. So if strength dot value is higher than or equivalent to the prestige cost, then we will subtract the prestige cost from the whole strength you got. Cost, and then we will add the prestige value number 1. Alright, and also I want the player to have starting strength of 100 right now. I can actually prestige, but first of all, I can it since I don't fire the event yet. So we gotta make a GI. Green GI text button. I changed this real quick. Unit conversion, so it scales on every device. Use autoscale light if you don't know how to convert it yourself. Prestige. Alright. We'll do this. As always, get the service name replicate storage. Get the events folder, which is child of replicate storage. So we will cast away child. Event equals events wait for child. Prestige event. Now all we will do is script.parent dot mouse button one click connection connect and then function, then event file server not event file server, and this is it. Alright, so what does mouse button 1 do? It basically checks by you click on it, the text button. Alright, let's test it out. I start with 300 strength as planned, and prestige works. Wait works, and you can't spam with an auto clicker, do it to the debounce, so it works clean. Alright, this was it for the video. If you liked it, then leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and see you.